These coins in Philadelphia mints can fetch from probably at least $1.30 up to, I think the highest I see in the Misda is 96 uh $96 for MS63 or 65, and the highest as far as I remember is around 2000, I think, uh, for the Denver or San Francisco mint. So even though it's just a small coin, and the copper nickel would have a good value, of course. Hello everyone, welcome to Coins and Stamps to Watch. So we have four old coins. It is from the United States of America, and they're what's called the Buffalo nickel or 5 cent from the years 34, 35, 36, and 37. I got it it's consecutive, so I thought I always have the 1936 one, but I haven't had the other one, so I thought I'll get these other ones. It's cheap. I bought it very cheap, and just a little info from these coins. These coins are made or minted from 1913 up to 1938, and it's composed of copper nickel. The weight is 5 gram. Diameter is 21.2 millimeters, and it's 1.95 millimeter on the diameter or thickness. I mean, so and so we can see uh, the Indian head, which is a composite profile of Iron Tail. He's an Sioux chip, and two moons, Cheyenne chip, a Big Tree, and a Kiowa chip. Oh, he have a lot of titles. So, and we can see the year below 1934, and up here is a Liberty. And on the reverse side, we can see an American Bison, and the value below is 5 cents, and up above is the country name United States of America. So it have a nice grade. So nice one. It's it have a good detail. See, look, this is 1935. Or yes, it is 1935. Oh no, it is 1936. 1936. Still is, it's nice. So this is the 1935. I'm wearing my glasses, but it's still very hard to see. Small coins now. See, 1935. It have varieties. It have varieties and errors, like that. There's a one that's called the three-legged bison, in which it could fetch thousands, I think. And what's this one? Oh yeah, so this is the last one. 34, 35, 36, 1937. Here we go. It's a nice grade as well. See, look. So the Philadelphia mintage is the one that have a lot of mints for this coin, and the lower ones are the Denver and the San Francisco mints. So they don't mint much for those mints, and of course the value for those other ones are bigger than the Philadelphia mint. But even so, these coins in Philadelphia mints can fetch from probably at least $1.30 up to, I think the highest I see in the Misda is uh, $96 for MS63 or 65, and the highest as far as I remember is around 2000, I think, uh, or the Denver or San Francisco Mint. So even though it's just a small coin, and the copper nickel have a good value, of course. Yeah, they don't have much or mint much. They don't have. We don't have much more of these nowadays. So probably it's hoarded somewhere. Some collectors. I don't see much of them, especially those other years aside from 1936. So thank you very much. I hope you all have a very good day.